That wind is picking up over here, Naples. They already closed this whole place down over here. Everything's closed. I couldn't even get into Bowditch Point Park. I couldn't really get in over here. But as they say, if there's a will, there's a way, right? I'm one of those people. Sorry. I have an umbrella that's made for this wind, but it'll pop either way, and I'll have to adjust it. So, if you don't mind, copy and paste the link in my profile so you can follow me on all platforms. I was just live on Clapper over on